this is Mahabuba here from Desert Rose. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cake Craft by Desert Rose. Today I am so excited to share with you all how I made all those cute farm animal cake toppers to decorate my super cute farm animal cake. I hope you guys will enjoy the video tutorial. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more exciting videos like this. If you have any questions regarding the video, please put it in the comment box below. I shall answer all of your inquiries. Thank you so much for watching. So let's get started.
First I will be starting with the little piggy. So for the piggy I took some pink fondant, but the fondant I got from the store, it was little bit dark, so I added white fondant to get the perfect shade of the little piggy. So first I will be creating the body of the piggy. I already created the body shape of the piggy and I will be putting this aside. Then I will be moving on to create the legs of the piggy. So two tiny legs. I'm creating the legs here. Adding details using fondant tools. Attaching the legs with the body using water. The same way I'm creating hands of the piggy, but the hands will be longer than the legs. Adding details. Attaching the hand with the body using water. Now I will be moving to the head, piggy's head. So for the head I am taking same pink fondant and making it a circular shape of for piggy's head. Making space for eyes using fondant tool. Using white fondant I am creating the eye shapes of the piggy. Attaching the white portion of the eyes using water, setting it with fondant tool. Now I'm creating eyeballs using black fondant, two tiny little eyeballs. The black portion should be smaller than the white portion. Now adding details to the eye. Adding details. Moving on pig's face, I'm taking a little bit lighter shade of the pink fondant, adding white fondant with the same pink fondant, so to achieve the lighter shade of the pink. So I make a face for the piggy and creating a smiley face, open smiley face using fondant tool. Now putting nose hole. So my head is done. Now I will be attaching the head with the body using a toothpick and water, gently pressing the head to the body. I'm creating the ears of the piggy with my finger and using same pink fondant. The ears I'm attaching with piggy's head is facing down, not facing up. I'm attaching the both ears with piggy's head using fondant tool and my finger, giving it more detailed shape, and I put a tiny belly button with using fondant tool. Now I'm adding blush on piggy's nose and cheek using pink dust food coloring. The food coloring I'm using is edible dust food coloring. Now my piggy is done. Moving forward to the cow, I'm taking a big white fondant to create the whole body shape of the cow. I'm not creating the legs separately at that time. I'm creating the 4 legs and the body of the cow with the same, using same white fondant. I'm attaching it with water. So now I'm putting a styrofoam ball underneath the cow, so that will hold the cow shape, that will not pull it down by gravity. So now I'm creating the head of the cow with white fondant, and now I'm creating the cow's face using a brown fondant. I'm attaching it with water, making space for eyes using fondant tool. Putting 2 black eyes, giving details to the eyes using white fondant. Details to the eyes. I'm creating a smiley face for the cows as well, but this time is the closed smiley face, not open. Adding detail. Putting 2 nose hole using fondant tool. So my cow head is done. I'm attaching the head with the body using a toothpick. Gently pressing to the body. Now I am moving to creating the ears of the cow. I'm creating 2 ears using white fondant, attaching the ears using water with cow head to cow head. I created a tiny tail for the cow and the hair at the end of the tail, attaching it with water. Now I'm going to paint cow pattern using gel food coloring, edible gel food coloring, and a small brush. The bristles of the brush is really soft and small, so it's easy to create the pattern I want on cow body. I'm creating all over the body different patterns, little bit on top of head and cheeks. So my cow is done. Cow and pig, these are done. Now moving to the donkey, I took brown and dark brown fondant to create the donkey. Same as the piggy, I created the body first and put it aside. that will be also sitting position like the piggy. I'm creating the leg first, same as piggy. I'm adding little bit black portion at the end of the leg. Attaching the leg with body using water, same as the piggy we did. I'm creating two hands, same as the piggy, longer than the leg, using same dark brown fondant, adding black portion at the end of the hands as well. Attaching the hand with the body using water. Now I will be moving to creating the head of the donkey using same brown fondant. I'm making the shape of the head with my finger and hand, creating the eyes of the donkey using white fondant, eyeballs using black fondant, same as piggy we did. The black portion should be smaller than the white portion. Adding details to the eyes. I'm creating a smiley face using a fondant tool, putting nose hole, and my face is done. I'm making a stripe, red stripe, to attach with the mouth of the donkey. And donkey's face is done. Now I'm attaching the face with the body using toothpick and water. Now we'll be moving to create the ears of the donkey, same as we did for cows and piggy. I'm creating the ears using my finger and fondant tool, giving it a shape and attaching it with water to donkey's head. Now I will be creating donkey's hair using black fondant and will be attaching it in between two ears. I'm creating hairs using black fondant, attaching it in between two ears, repeating the process. I'm taking a bit of yellow fondant and making a triangle shape, and will be attaching under the face of the donkey, just to the neck, and my donkey is done. So donkey, cow and piggy are done. They look so happy. Now we'll be moving to create the sheep. For the sheep, I will be creating 4 legs first, then the body using white fondant. Now for the sheep's woolly fur look, I'll be using white fondant, small pearl shaped dot at a time and attaching gently to the body. I will be repeating the same process until the whole body is covered. Now I created a face of the sheep, same as piggy. I'm creating a open smiley face for the sheep as well. Making space for eyes, creating two eyeball using black fondant. Attaching it with water. Now I'm creating a triangle shape of nose for the sheep and will be attaching it on top of the face, in between two eyes. And I attach the head with the toothpick with sheep's body. Now I'm creating same as we did for the body, woolly hair for the sheep. Small white fondant at a time, creating a circle like a pearl and attaching gently to the on top of head. Adding blush using edible food coloring, dust food coloring. So here my sheep is done. So the sheep, donkey, cow and piggy are done. Now we'll be moving to create hand and duck. For the hand, I'm creating a haystack first, so we can place the hand on top of it. I'm creating a haystack using a bit of yellow fondant. Details using a ruler and knife. I'm giving the details using ruler and knife. Then I'm using a black fondant to create the binder of the haystack. I'm attaching the binder using water with the haystack. Doing same for the other side. Now I'm creating the hand. I'm creating two hands using white fondant. I'm taking a bit of orange fondant for the hand's leg and back. Attaching the legs with the body. Then creating tiny little eyes and attaching with on top of the head of the hand. Adding a tiny little beak. Creating a little bow using red fondant and attaching it on the head. Adding details using Sculpting. So my hand is done. Moving forward to create the duck, I am using yellow fondant. I already made two body shapes of the duck. Now I am creating the head of the duck. I am putting eyes using two tiny black dot fondant. Putting beak using orange fondant and adding the hairs of the duck. So duck, hen, donkey, cow, sheep, piggy are done. I am adding some more farm animal cake photos at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video so much. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more fondant craft tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching.